Do you want to know how to deposit a checks on Bank of America application? Here's the step-by-step process on how to do it. So basically, first, you need to access or open your Bank of America application and log in. Just enter your user ID and password. After that, you will see under the accounts and just click on the deposit checks located at the bottom navigation. And once you click on the deposit checks, click the get started and click the accept for the terms and conditions. You will redirect to this page for you to able to scan the front as well as the back of your check. And once you already click the front, you will scan your front of the check and your back of the check as well. And you will see these informations and you just have to confirm it by clicking the done button. And that's how you deposit a check on your Bank of America application.